Hi, it's Oliver from Stafford Land Rover, and today I'm going to be showing you this brand new vehicle.
Let's take a look at this beautiful Land Rover Range Rover Evoque Dynamic HSE. The vehicle features a 2-litre D200 diesel engine and an automatic gearbox. This Range Rover Evoque is finished in the stunning Carpathian Grey exterior colouring. The vehicle sits on these 20-inch 10 split-spoke alloy wheels with a gloss dark grey and diamond turned contrast finish. At the front of the vehicle we have these pixel LED headlights with signature daytime running lights, and at the rear of the vehicle we have these LED tail lamps. Now taking a look inside the rear of the vehicle, as you can see we are greeted with a rather large amount of boot space. As you can see, you could quite easily fit a set of suitcases, your weekly shop, or maybe even a set of golf clubs. Located underneath the boot space we have access to extra storage capacity. And located on the left here we also have access to a 12-volt power outlet. At a click of a button, our electric powered tailgate will close itself for you. Now taking a look at the rear seats of the vehicle. Straight away on these air vents here we have the ability to control the airflow within the rear of this vehicle. The seats themselves are composed of this ebony and cloud leather interior. We also have access to a centre armrest which will easily fold away to comfortably seat a third passenger. Now these seats also feature rear isofix points available for any younger companions joining you on your journey. Now taking a look inside the front of the vehicle, we have our leather multifunctional heated steering wheel, our colour touchscreen display, and once again these gorgeous ebony and cloud leather interior seats. Now these seats are heated and also electrically adjustable with plenty of height and seat adjustments available. These seats also feature a memory function so that the driver and passenger can always resume the perfect travelling position. Now returning back to our leather multifunctional heated steering wheel, on the left of the steering wheel we have our media controls, and on the right of the steering wheel we have our lane keeping aid, cruise control, speed limiter and heated steering wheel controls. Now this Range Rover Evoque has done 5 miles, however this is subject to change due to test drives. We also have multiple driver displays to choose from, including navigation, media, trip summary, 4x4 information, a clock and the ability to turn it off for anyone who might find this distracting. Now the vehicle also features a head-up display system which allows the driver to focus on the road ahead of themselves, allowing themselves not to get distracted while driving the vehicle. Now taking a look at our colour touchscreen display, we have all the essentials like a DAB radio system and Bluetooth telephone functionality to set those all important calls on the go. We also have access to a satellite navigation system so that the driver can easily navigate to their destination. The vehicle is also equipped with a 3D surround camera system which allows the driver to get in and out of those tight parking situations. By clicking on seats we can access our heated front seat controls, setting the perfect temperature for both the driver and passenger. The vehicle is also equipped with Android Auto, Apple CarPlay and even a valet mode to keep your personal information and address safe when having the vehicle valeted. By clicking on 4x4 information we can access key information tab when taking the vehicle off-roading. We also have easily accessible vehicle dimensions, which once again is another great feature to have when trying to fit your vehicle in and out of those tight parking situations. At a click of a button we can also access the vehicle's terrain response system, which offers you multiple different programs to suit the terrain that you are driving on. By clicking here we can access the vehicle's climate control system. As you can see the climate controls are both easily accessible and easily adjustable for both the driver and passenger of this vehicle. By clicking here we can also access our heated front seats, ensuring that everyone can travel at the perfect temperature. The vehicle is also equipped with a fixed panoramic sunroof, which is a great feature for sunny days or summer drives as it allows plenty of daylight into the vehicle, creating a nice light open feel.
This vehicle comes with 3 years manufacturer's warranty and 3 years roadside assistance. For more information call us on 017 858 99446 or inquire online now.